everyone. Today we will quickly share how AI is changing in development, both positive and the challenges.
One of the best use cases is AI-assisted coding. For example, as a .NET developer, we often use GitHub Copilot to generate instant linking queries and EF core migration scripts, thus saving a lot of time for repetitive tasks.
AI can help in testing and debugging. Imagine unit test cases in N unit and X unit. AI can suggest test cases, detect potential reference exceptions, and improve application reliability.
But here is the flip side. AI is not always accurate. It may generate insecure code, skip performance best practices in ASP.NET APIs, or even suggest outdated syntax. If we just copy-paste it, we might introduce issues.
The other concern is loss of learning. If developers rely too much on AI to solve their problems, they might miss the chance to deeply understand the concepts, design patterns, or debugging skills, which are crucial in the long run.
So, the key takeaway is AI can help us to solve the problem faster and boost the productivity. Still, we need to think, apply the right design pattern, and follow the best coding standard. AI can assist with the output, but the best results come from us as the developers. So, let us know what's your thoughts on AI. Please put your comments below.